I need my wallet. Please.
His rage is burning brightly, it's buried deep within. His flesh is barely human, it's a Cybertronic skin.
What?
Rippling robot muscles could take down dinosaur. But speaking of extinction, here comes a meteor.
Oh, wow.
With jetpack cyborg boosters, he flies across the sea. He launches high into the sky to save both you and me.
Dude.
The meteor approaches, the asteroid is here. The people of Earth tremble, they cower in their fear. But Cyborg Daniel races, he laughs in danger's face. Haha, as Mother Nature's biggest threat is hurled from outer space. The meteor then shapeshifts into a cosmic hurdle. An adolescent, omnipresent, mutant chaos turtle. You know what I'm saying?
No, I don't.